Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect GitHub to Replit. The first thing I want you to do is actually log in to both GitHub and Replit to ease the process, and then on your Replit dashboard, here on the left hand panel, click on integrations, and then I want you to scroll down until you see connectors. I want you to go ahead and identify GitHub and then click here on sign in. Now I want you to click on connect to GitHub. Now it'll open up this pop-up and we need to authorize Replit. Since I'm already logged in, you can come here, see the organization and teams permissions, all the project permissions that we're giving, and the repositories as well. If you're happy with everything, click here on authorize Replit integrations, and then it will complete the connection. As you can see, it has been connected successfully, and now you'll see your connection right here, and you can go ahead and manage. Make sure it says here active, and it's really that easy. That is how to connect GitHub to Replit.